Hi guys, in this video we will see how to replace the heating element of your washing machine. First we need to remove the entire front of the washing machine to replace the part. Loosen the screw which holds the element. We disconnect the connectors from the old item and we reconnect in the same way in the new one. Remount everything as before. Now our machine will heat the water exactly as new. Okay guys, that's all for this video. Thanks for watching and subscribe to my channel for don't miss the future videos.